Allie, will you date me?
I'm sorry, Ryan. I don't want to date you.
So I heard Ryan asked you out today.
Yeah, I had to reject him.
He's such a weirdo.
Yeah, why is he always carrying a broom?
I don't know. He's really weird.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
See ya. Hello. Yeah, I'll be there soon. Bye.
So, did you hear what happened to Taylor?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a drink real quick.
Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. I gotta use the bathroom.
Alright.
Well, I'll see you later.
Alright. So do you know what happened to Hayden?
No, he went to the bathroom like 2 days ago and never came out.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Have you checked on him?
No, I can't go in the boys' bathroom.
I'll go look for him.
Okay.
Where are you going? A drink? What is happening?
Oh my god!
Zach, Ryan is killing everyone.
Why?
It seems like after I talk to someone, they die.
There you go.
You smacked it.
Alright, go whatever. Alright, we got it. Alright, just go whatever. We gotta do it by the elevator.
They got mine.
Which elevator are we doing?
Just remember.
Doorknob.
He usually holds Mr. Ehlers in his wheelchair, so.
Should record.
I know.
Now let's hope Ryan actually listened and opens the door.
This is kind of scary. What if we just dropped or we kept coming up and we shot out the ceiling? What would you?
Did it make that last time?
No.
Alright, stay right there, Ryan. I'm just gonna get it. Okay, we got it. Alright, go.
Can I get up now? That really hurts.
Oh my god, come on.
Go. Alright, I think that'll be good.
What is hell?
Alright, go. Die, you son of a bitch!
Ryan, school project.
Go.
So did you hear what happened to Taylor?
Yeah, it's crazy.
I'm gonna get a drink real quick.
Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. I gotta use the bathroom.
Alright.
Well, I'll see you later.
Alright. GFGS, baby.